Today's video I want to show you how to connect the JBL Go to Bluetooth speaker to an HP Windows 10 laptop. Okay, so assuming your Bluetooth adapter is working, you'll go to the startup menu on the bottom left side. Then you'll go to where it says settings, the gear icon settings. As you click into that, you'll see a window shows up saying Windows settings. And from there, you'll go to where it says devices. You'll click on that section here that says devices. And as you click into that, you'll see this window show up. You'll go ahead and turn on the switch for where it says Bluetooth on and off. Click on that one time. And right after you turn it on, go to the very top where it says add Bluetooth or other devices. So you'll click there. And then you'll select the first option that says Bluetooth because we're adding a Bluetooth adapter or Bluetooth device that has a Bluetooth adapter or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so next up, you'll go ahead and turn on your JBL Go to Bluetooth speaker. You'll go ahead and press the power button one time, the one on the far left. A simple single press, just press it single time and then let it go. And then you'll do the same thing for the Bluetooth button. You'll press it one time, a single press, and you'll notice the rapid white blinking light followed by two-tone sounds. And then from here on, just go back to your computer, wait for it to show up on your screen. You'll see JBL Go to show up. And just click on it. Once you see it, it will say connecting. And then you'll hear a tone sound from your speaker specifying or stating that it is actually connected. And in some cases, you'll see a message to the bottom right of the screen saying that they're setting up your device. And just wait for it to say ready to use. And once all that is said and done, you are good to go. You'll check underneath where it says audio. You'll see your Bluetooth speaker name. And if you click on the volume icon to the bottom right side, you will see additional items that you can view, such as the speaker. And if you click on the name section, you can actually choose to toggle between having the sound come out from your Bluetooth speaker or your computer speaker or as a mic. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful, please do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you are new to my channel, and thanks for watching. Enjoy your JBL Go 2.